Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you might be. This is just a quick video from Umojami to illustrate how all Umojans can go live and do a live stream and invite others to join their live stream. So we've made it easy for our members to be able to do live streams from Umojami. We've been working on this hard, and our apologies to the whole community that our live link, which is here, is not really working as per se. We are still working on that, but in the meantime, we've provided a quick fix for how people can go live on Umojami, which will be the future of how we'll be going live on Umojami. So just to keep it short, how do you go live on Umojami? It's very simple. It works the same and it applies the same for both your handset, your phone, as well as on the computer or on your laptop or desktop, which is what I'll be demonstrating now using my laptop screen. So if you were on a mobile phone, you have to go on the three dots on the top left, the sandwich button. This is where you have to click. You will find the same menu, which I'm looking at now, on your phone. And all you need to do is click on Rooms. Once you click on Rooms, it should open you umoRooms. And in umoRooms, what you will need to do is, unfortunately, you will need to register. The registration process is quite quick. You don't need to verify any emails or verify any accounts in terms of this because you're already in Umojami and this actually stays in Umojami. So we don't need you to verify, but you just need to sign up quickly to get a new link. So if you just click on register, you should be able to put in your first name, last name, email address, username, password, and organization. That can be any name of your choice. So I will always just advise people when you're putting your username, please avoid using capital letters or hyphens or any special characters. Just type a normal name. So I've already signed up, not to take much time. I've already signed up. I don't need to sign up again. So I'm just going to go to login. And as you can see, I've stored my details already on my system. So it's just auto-populated that details. So I'm just going to log in. As soon as you log in, you're now in umoRooms. umoRooms, this is the dashboard. And you can see from your dashboard, you can see visitors to your rooms. You can see your rooms. You can see your chat history. This just gives you a summary of the visitors that are on your site. And this gives you the number of rooms that you're managing and, within your account. There is your profile information. You can go in there, do some changes if you want to change the user, the names, and blah blah blah. We've just made it easy for you. So let's jump straight to what we're here. So going live is simple. Once you're in your dashboard, you have to go to your rooms, and there are two keys there. You have list rooms and you have room management. List rooms is simple. It will list. You can have as many rooms as you choose to, and each room that you've created can be used for a specific purpose for that room. So that's what we've made it unique with Umojami, that will give you options to be able to create multiple rooms for specific things and you can use them. I'm going to come back here to explain this while we are, at some point within the video. But this will be your rooms that you've created, and then room management will then give you how to manage your room. So we'll start by how do you go live. You go live once you're in your dashboard. You then go down to rooms and you click on the list of rooms. Here on your account you have nothing because you've not created any room, so there will be nothing in this area. But what you need to do then is click on the plus button to create a room, or you can go back to your rooms, click on room management, which will bring you back to the same screen. But we'll just say just go to rooms, list of rooms, click plus sign there to add a new room. Here you have your room ID, your name. You can give a name to your visitors, whatever name you choose to give them. Your short URL, your visitor short URL. I've explained that. If you want a password to be in your room for specific, to share a password for people to be able to join the room for security. Room configuration, if you want to go live on a specific date and time, you can choose the date, choose the time. As you can see there, you can choose what time you want to go live and all that, and configure that, and that should be set up. Duration is unlimited. This is unlimited, but we've just given 15, 30, 45 minutes to make it easy. Or you can put how many minutes, 120 minutes if you choose to, or whatever, and it will automatically end the live stream once that number of hours or minutes run out. So if you just want to go on and on and on without actually any limits, you can just leave these fields free. You can set a default for your room. You want visitors, once they are coming in, it should disable their cameras, their audio. It should disable screen sharing, whiteboard, file transfer. You can disable those features. Auto accept users with their videos and their audios automatically, and you can make that room active and inactive. So that's just simple, but we'll go through those fields. But before you set up your rooms, it's important that you read the information to the right, and I'll just quickly explain this. How to share a meeting link, you don't have to be really bothered about this information. It's good to know how to do it. Initially, this is how you have to do it, by creating a meeting, going live, and then it will copy the link to your clipboard, and then you have to go into Umojami, paste that link on your live. So you type your show, decorate your show, whatever you're doing, and then you have to paste your live link there, and people can just click on that live link anywhere and they'll be able to join you in your room. So that's how it works simply. So all this literature here explains that. And there are two ways that we've created our live streams. One is by starting, we say start a meeting. That is virtually for virtual consultations and personal video chats that you want to create. And then we have live broadcasts, which is go live, which is for teaching, general meetings, and also if you wanted to do a live stream like Facebook. Room configuration is very, very important. Do not ignore this. So what we've done from Umojami is we've made it easy for you to be able to start off your meeting without any hassle. So we've already configured the rooms for yourself, and all you need to do is copy this configuration, the whole text, and drop on your configuration, and then fill in this information and just click on save. And what it will do is it will save here the information for this specific live, this room you've created, and it's going to configure it in terms of an education room. It's going to configure it in terms of a room for health. It's going to configure your room in terms of a room for meeting, as well as for those who want to go live. We've already done a prefix configuration for you for your live stream, and you just have to copy that and paste. So just to do it quickly, I'm going to call my room Africa. I'm going to call my name is Nomad. Um, People coming into my room, I call them visitors. And I want to create a short link. I don't want, because the link to go live is quite a long link, so I want to keep it short in such a way that I understand why I'm doing it. So since I'm creating a room that is Africa, I would like to shorten my live link to make it to be short, make the link so short to Africa, and I'll make the one for my visitors also to be Africa, just to make the link short. But the system is going to differentiate which link is for you, for me as my personal link to go live, and the one that I have to share with my visitors. So I'll just keep it all Africa. You can choose whatever name. You can choose there your name, or I can choose there my name, and I can decide to put here, just put the visitors that, or let me just put the Africa visitor. Yep. I don't need a password because I want people to join my room free, so I don't want to create a password. So room configuration, what am I doing? I'm setting up my room for live broadcast. So what do? I copy the JSON file link here, copy, come here, and I paste. And this is going to configure my Africa room for live stream automatically. I don't want to set a date. I don't want to come live stream on a specific date, so I don't need that. I don't want to set up any duration. I want to be unlimited because I want to come live at any point in time. I don't want to, and on my live stream, I don't want people to be able to have a whiteboard or any of those things. So I can decide to disable all this screen sharing, whiteboard, or file transfer on my room. But as I said, this configuration has already been configured to act as a live broadcast. But if you choose to do these things, you can just disable these ones if you don't want people to be able to have access to that. But I'll just leave it for now because I'm using already a predefined live stream configuration, so I don't really need to click anything. Auto accept with videos, I don't need to do that because my configuration here already handles all those things. And all I need to do is make sure that my room is active or is inactive. And once I do that, make sure that it's active, I just click save. As you can now see, it's saved now, my new room Africa. My name, who is the agent, is Nomad. I have my visitors, which I've given them the title visitor, and it has generated two links. These are my personal links, and these are my visitor links. So, date and time, I've not set up anything. My room is active now to go live. So, I'll take this time, and this is the most important part of this video, to go live. So, I've created my live link Africa. So, this is my personal URL, and these are the URLs I have to share with the public. This remains a unique URL to myself, a link for me to go live. This will remain with me for Umojami for life until I decide to delete and create a new one. So whenever you want to go live, you can always share this link. So this link remains with you forever. It doesn't change if you don't want to change it. Unless you decide to change it, then you can do that. But this link will always remain the links that you are going to use on Umojami to go live infinity. So it will never it's a link that never breaks. It's a link that will never stop unless you choose to delete the link and create a new one. So we'll stick to this. So how do you go live? I'm going to explain this step by step so that you understand. So we have the visitors URL. This is the URL that you will share with the public, and anybody that clicks on this URL is going to go straight into your room and view your live stream. This is the link that you have to click, your personal URL. This is the link which you have to click yourself from your account to go live. So when you click this, it's going to take you to the screen where you have to go live, and you go live, and then you share this now on your timeline and wherever you want to share this link, and people will just click on that link and join you in your room live. So let me demonstrate how it works. So now I've set up my room, and I want to invite my users to come in. So as you can see, there are two links that are generated. One of the link is known as your conference agent URL. So this is for you to create a conference room like Zoom, if you wanted to do conferencing like Zoom, and it's also giving you a broadcast agent link. So this is your live link. That's why we've put a B at the end of this link to say you're broadcasting live, as well as your visitors are being broadcast. They will be coming in to view your show live. So this is the reason why we've made the link really short. But as I said, this is quite simple. This is the link you click, broadcast to go live, and this is the link which you have to share on your timeline for people to join your live stream. So how do I do that? I simply copy my broadcast link because I'm going live. I'm not doing Zoom. If you're doing Zoom, you can click the one above. But any link you will find that has a B at the end tells you that that's a broadcast, that's a live streaming link. So as I said, copy this link. I'm going to now go on my timeline within Umojami, and I'm going to now set up my meeting. So I'm saying that Africa is going live in 10 minutes. So I say join my stream. I'll just say join my live stream to find out more about umoRooms. So that's my link. Umojami creates your umoRoom. So that's a standalone application with video, audio recording, screen, blah 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 blah. So that just tells you that's you're in umoRooms, and that's your link which you've shared. So anybody clicking on this link will now be able to join me in 10 minutes time when I'm live in my room. Now you can decide to add an image or add a video underneath this if you choose to. That's your choice. So let me see, add a video. Nope, I don't want to add a video. Let me add an image. Go to my desktop. Let me look for a good image. Yep, now add this one going live. So yep, I've added my video that I'm going live, and all I need to do now, click on publish. So once that's published, Once that is published, so you can see that's my live stream. So now it's on my timeline, telling everybody within the community that Africa is going live in 10 minutes. Join my live stream to find out more about umoRooms. So this is what is now live. So with this now being live, what do I do now as excuse? So what do? I now go back to my live stream. I will then click on, because I've shared the broadcasting visitors link to the public, then I have to click on my broadcast link. Once I click on my broadcast link, it's then going to open up into my how to go live link. So it's by default, it's picked up my camera. If it hasn't on your screen, you then have to have two different cameras here. So I have an NDI video input, as well as I've got my FaceTime here. So I've selected FaceTime, which is on my camera. Microphone, I've got a couple of microphones connected, so I'll go with the default one. I've got other internal, my camera is, speakers or whatever. So I can decide to mute myself or turn off my camera, but in this instance, I'm not going to turn that off. So what do? I just click on go live, and as soon as I click on go live, I'm virtually now live in my room, and I'm waiting now for all my guests to come in. So I can toggle. These are just the few menus. This is switching on and off your camera mic. This is sharing your screen, sharing a file. This is recording. So this is very important. If you wanted to record your live stream and then play it back on upload it back on your timeline, this is where you click on record. It will record onto your device, and then you can later on upload it into your timeline for users to be able to come back and view that. You can toggle this, and once you click on toggle, it brings you on the grid format, and this will be your screen. So this is how you go live on Umojami. And what will happen on the other end is, once you're live, anybody who is a guest who clicks on this link on the timeline will automatically go live on the other end. So if I was to do that, I'm going to do that from my mobile phone to join that live stream so that you guys can actually see. So I am live now there. So I'm just going to come from my phone, and you will see what happens on my screen. So I'm just getting on my phone. Yep. So I'm now on my phone on Umojami. Let me scroll down to Umo Native live stream, and there it is. So as I click to join that link from my phone, yep, so I've got a pop-up Nomad to join the Nomad stream. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my name in there. My name is Musa, and I don't want my camera on or anything of myself. I'll mute myself, and I click on continue, and as you see, Musa joined. Have you seen now? Musa is now joining the live link, and I'm coming in, and virtually, as you can hear the echo from my end, is simply because I have my mic on from this side. So I'm actually in that live link. Sorry that I'm using double mics. I just have to mute this one. Yeah. So what I'm seeing now on my screen is I can only see myself doing this live stream. So I cannot interact. I cannot do anything. I can only just view the person. So I'm already live now, and I can see. So if I wanted to send a chat to confirm that I'm actually in the meeting, I can just say great show. And as you can see, there's a small pop-up there that says it's a great show, and there it is, great show, to tell you guys that I'm actually now live within this stream. I can reply that thanks there, and I can say thank you for this show. I'll put there thanks very much. As you can see, thanks very much goes to tell you that I'm already live there. So as soon as I exit from the live show, it will ask me to rate Nomad for his live stream, and it will automatically take me back into Umojami once the meeting is ended to tell you that I'm in Umojami. So this is how you go live. And once you complete your live stream, then you can come back now to your live link here, and you might want to go back there, edit, and just say, you can just put there that live stream, live show has now ended, so people don't have to come and be waiting on the live show that is not there. Or live show has now ended. People don't have to come there and say they want to join you live. As you see, live show has ended. Or you can just go in there and simply just delete the live show if you wanted to, because you're no longer live. You don't want that to be on your timeline. So so that's how you go live on Umojami. And we'll be waiting to see those who are going to give it a try. If you have any issues, it works on both mobile phones. Any phone that you're having, it will work. There is no limit on the time. It will work based on your internet. We've made it easy for people to go live. You can just go audio to just listen and not even look at the person's video. So you can switch off. We've given you the viewer or the visitors, the option to switch off all your cameras and just be on audio, just to listen to what the other person is saying without looking at them, which will save your call time credit or your internet data. So yes, that's live on Umojami. We are now waiting to see your live shows, record them, bring them back, play them in here, and we'll be joining you in your live show. So as I said, these are your private rooms, and we think that making it private is more exclusive it's more personal for the people to be able to join in rooms. And you can also go into as many rooms as you want to view what is happening there, and these people can make their live streams private to only those. For example, if you have a page, you can invite only the people of your page to join your stream by giving them a password, and then they can come in. So that's the kind of things we want to make and empower you as users to be able to enjoy your live streams using rooms. Thank you very much. Any questions, follow Umojami Native, drop your questions there, and we're more than happy to answer. Thank you very much, and enjoy your time within the Umojami village. Thank you all. Bye.